Yo, what's up everybody? Ochoa back with another video, and man, oh man, am I glad to be making today's video. So today, if you are here to see some 10th gen Civic content, I'm sorry, we're not gonna be talking about the Civic. She's over there parked today. Today we're actually gonna keep working and talking about our new project car. So if you haven't seen the video, it's up here. I actually got a 03 Mitsubishi Eclipse project car. So if you haven't seen the big mess I have over here yet, I have a big ass mess because what I did is well, I'll take you guys with me, but I came over here and I destroyed the interior. Not destroyed, but if you guys can see, there's like crap all over the floor. It's just, I already gave it a somewhat clean over the top, but I literally emptied it out, and I'm gonna take out the carpet, remove the seats and everything, and this car is gonna go through a deep clean today because honestly it needs it. It smells really bad. There's rat shit everywhere. It's old, so I'm just gonna make it look like new on the inside. The hood is open because I was trying to change the alternator, but I gotta go pick it up, and in order to go pick it up I gotta bring in the old one, but I can't take out the old one because I don't have any jack stands or anything of that nature to lift the car up and take it out, as I do need to access it from the bottom, which sucks. But I am waiting for my friend right now. He is supposed to be bringing me them. He hasn't brought me them yet, so I've been working on the interior, but I guess for now we're just gonna keep cleaning on the interior, and I'll keep you guys updated if anything happens. But no, the car does not start. It's still struggling to start, but yeah, for now let's keep cleaning the inside. Alright, well, I was midway through vacuuming. Here's how it's looking so far. Just off of a vacuum, it's looking clean. I'm not done with the other side, but our boy just pulled up. You see him rocking the East Side Garage tee.
These are fire.
Go cop one, link in the description. But yeah, we about to jack the car up, get this alternator out, return, and then in with the out. Out with the old and in with the new, as Chris Fix would say it. But yeah, let's just get this jacked up, and we'll see you once the alternator's out.
Down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting in, and I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in. You talk about it, I'm living it. I'm living it, you fucking little bitch.
Alright guys, so I know I'm in a new shirt and everything. I'm sorry, but it is a brand new day. I had to go to work, so I couldn't get the alternator. I can't get that footage for you, but my boy did. I sent him to go pick it up, the one that was working with me on the car. So here's a few clips of him going to get it.
Say bye-bye to the old and in with the new.
Once he picked it up, we put it on. Here's some footage. We put it on literally last night, and I literally went ham, tried to get it on. I got it on, the car wouldn't start, but here's a magic moment. Say hi to the people, babe.
Hi, people.
Our alternator's on. This is a little magic moment. Oh wait, the car's locked. Key is in. That's a good sign. It already has the door light on. Clutch all the way in. Turn the key. Lights on. You guys ready? So there you go, car is starting up just fine now. So if you saw those clips, there was a battery in there. If you haven't watched the video of when I got this car, I did say that the battery that came with it was too big and I had to take it out. So I just replaced that battery and the alternator, and now the car is running just fine. Something that I do gotta check is that the power steering is really hard. Well, not just the power, the steering is really hard. Whether I want to turn it left or right, it's like I gotta use double hands, or like I gotta put some manpower into it to turn it. I've tried unclogging it using the Scotty Kilmer method, but that didn't work, and it seems like it just started to overfill instead. So I don't know if it's the steering pump that's wrong or if it's the universal joint. I have been looking at it and it looks rusted to shit, so that might be the case. But I also might just think it's the steering pump that just completely just died on me and it doesn't work. That's why it's not making any noises or anything. But who knows, I have to get it checked out. But I'm glad that the car is running, and now we got to give it some regular maintenance to get it back up to spec at least. But for now, I'm just gonna keep cleaning the interior, and let's see what we find in the interior. So I hope you guys enjoy me cleaning out the interior.
New crib, crash that, drove here, pass back, now knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up, don't be smoking my shit. I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick. Be smoking my dick. Whoa, okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, fill it up, go there, oh you know what's up. Hog in the club, bitch, slow down, cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch I do it. And this the life we chose, working all night, swear I'm never going broke, bro. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm
Smoking, choking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000. Spend it like it's nothing, money flowing. Never sober, smoking till I got concussions, no discussions. Man, I got a condo and got a big crib.
Instead of boring you guys with me just cleaning the car, you guys saw me clean it a little bit. I still gotta wipe it down and do all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that and end the video off right here. But before I finish the video, I would like to say that for next video, I do plan on maybe working on the Civic. I'm not sure, because I just really want to get this out and running and get a couple clips of this out on the street for you guys. So I'm not sure if it's going to be on this or on the Civic. Comment down below if you want to see more Civic or Eclipse content. And I mean, it's still going to be 50-50, but I'll do one more over the other, I guess you could say, the preferred one. But again, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And everyone else, I hope you guys have a good day. Ochoa out.
We just got this bitch jumping. Finally got this bitch jumping.